Gonna be needing my auger soon when we put a deck around that above ground pool, and this isn't gonna work. Hoses are broken. Unfortunately, I have a kit right here. Got this off of Amazon. It's got a few different size hoses. It's got this piece here that will let you fish it down into the tank, and pump bulbs for replacement, and even these filters here. Now I just got to get this cover off so I can get this tank off, so I can get to these screws and replace this bulb and then these hoses. All right, so these two screws come off, that one there, and then there's two little 8mm bolts that are underneath. And so now this will wiggle loose, and the hoses are left to undo. All right, got those old hoses pulled out. I have them laid out here, broken pieces end to end, so I can get the new hose out, match up the same size, and cut them to exact length of what they were. All right, got them cut to length. All right, so this piece came out of it a little easier than I thought. I had to use this tiny little head. And you do need some grease to get that bigger one started, because the outside is the same size, but on the back, you can see the one's bigger. So now I just got to push those through and then drop this back into there. Yeah, I forgot about this here. I'm gonna take those Phillips off, and then get this cover and replace this bulb with one of those. So with this kit, there's 4 of this same size, and then there are 4 bigger ones. And then this one actually comes on one that hoses go into, where the inside of this one is actually a whole piece here. Got that new bulb in there. Tightening this side to side. And these here, we'll go ahead and attach them, because I'm gonna need to pull more hose through that grommet there. There we go. Now I can load this back up and then push this up too. All right, got the fuel tank in, got that one screw down there holding it in place. Now I need to slip this down and pop that in there. All right, everything is back together. Screws in place, bolts in place, lines in place, all with this kit. This auger is about 10 years old, good for another 10 years. This kit I got off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. That's the 3 dots up in the top corner. And this is the second engine that I have repaired with it. And looking at it, I think I got a few more 2-strokes that I can repair. So thanks for watching.